Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the ownership of your AirPods. So first things first, if we just come over to our AirPods here and remove the lid like so, then you can see as I do this on my phone, it pops up with Reese's AirPods. So if we want to go ahead and remove this previous owner from the AirPods, then all we need to do is come over to the back of your AirPods and you'll notice this small button right at the bottom down here. So with the lid still open, we just need to come over to the back and we're going to hold down this button. So I'm pressing this down now, and as you can see at the top of the AirPods, this light will start flashing white, start blinking white, and we just need to keep holding this button down for about 15 seconds. And what will happen is after 15 seconds, this light at the top here, this will change to an orange sort of color, like so. You just see it switch there quickly. So once you see this orange color, we can release the button on the back and we're going to close the AirPods, the lid of the AirPods. And all we're going to do is then flick the lid back open of the AirPods and come over to our phone. And as you can see, the name now has been removed on the AirPods, and I can click this connect button. And then that's going to go ahead and connect like so. And then you can just go through all of the setup options here on your phone and click done. If you wanted to change the name of your AirPods, then all we'd need to do is come over to settings and Bluetooth on your mobile device. Click on the information tab next to your AirPods, and right at the top here, you'll see this section for name. So we can just go ahead and rename this to whatever we want, or just type in a new name. And that's it guys, that's how you change the ownership of your AirPods. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.